Andrew from the Logically team here, and in today's video, we'll be going over how to use Logically's security overview application. When searching for security on Logically, we give you the ability to search for global ETFs, US Canadian mutual funds, and all single stock names. To be able to search for security, you want to come right on up to our search bar that you see here, right next to the Logically logo, and you'll be able to type in any security from a single stock name such as Apple, an ETF such as SPY, and for the sake of time, we'll just select SPY and be able to show you exactly what you would get from our security overview. We give you security profile information that you see here on the right, along with different windows that you have the ability to pop out and decollapse around regression analysis, capture ratios, trailing returns, trading statistics, any institutional ownership, and you can see the full ownership right here by selecting that. We give you the ability to chart, see the fund flows of that security, along with the holdings and any fund overlaps on a domestic or international basis, all from the security overview. You can add this to your watch list, which would then pop up in my watch list right over here. And you can run an analysis and a comparison, right all from the security overview page. You'll see more videos unpacking this in depth, but this is just a quick overview of how to get to our security overview page and to view any security that you might find interesting. If you have any questions, feel free to leverage the chat box, the chat box here, to talk to our customer success team or our sales team, or just to be able to use our knowledge base. We hope this is helpful. Remember, please continue to think logically and have a great day.